So,
And please after turn
yes,
to
we are adding rennet to the milk, and after I will explain, when they finish, I will explain you what a rennet is, and I will explain also how people 5,000 years ago started to use rennet. Rennet really is an enzyme content in the fourth stop denser than before. In Italian, it is named cagliata. Try to repeat. Cagliata. So we use the caglio. Caglio is the rennet, and after using caglio, the milk become cagliata. Cagliata means milk more dense. The more the cheese become hard and dry, and the more I will be able to preserve it, to mature it. When we produce a Monte Veronese cheese, remember we have 3 different kinds of Monte Veronese, and you can see the water, the wheat go away in an easier way. Here there is also salt if